Friends, you can't say that. Why not? Aren't you supposed to hate gay people? I don't think Christians are supposed to hate anybody. I love LGBTQ plus folks. That's why I'm an affirming pastor. What do you mean when you say affirming? I don't think being LGBTQ plus is sinful in any way. But doesn't the Bible say in Leviticus 18:22 that a man lying with a man is an abomination? It also says that those who follow God aren't supposed to.
Kalau Tuhan adalah kasih, kenapa masih ada debat tentang kasih? Apa lo? Gue kurang bingung. Tahu, tadi ada video LGBT lewat di FYP gue. Terus apa? Ya, kata gereja gue sih nggak boleh membenci, nggak boleh ada homoseksualitas gitu, Pak. Kayak aneh aja kan, masa ngelafal kasih. Ya elah, gereja sekarang mah kolot tau nggak? Maksud, ya dunia mah udah berkembang, masa ajaran Kristen masih stuck in the past? Bener juga ya. Jadi gue gak usah ikutin. Terserah lu sih. Cuma gue sih ngaduk liberalisme. Gue bebas mau ngelakuin apapun. Sih gimana tuh? Jadi Alkitab tuh udah ditulis ribuan tahun lalu bro. Udah gak relevan buat sekarang. Jadi gak boleh kita terima mentah-mentah gitu. Exactly. Nah tapi kan firman Tuhan gak berubah walaupun zamannya udah berubah. Ya itu sih tergantung interpretasi masing-masing ya. Mending lu jadi liberal aja. Menurut gua, semua orang punya hak untuk menentukan kebenarannya masing-masing. And liberalism supports that.
Kalau semua orang punya kebenaran masing-masing, standar kebenaran apa?
Manusia tuh harus berkembang. Masa semuanya harus literal?
Sebagai orang Kristen, dasar kita itu bukan tren atau budaya, tapi Tuhan dan firman-Nya. Liberalisme, dasarnya apa?
Tapi yang penting bukannya kasih ya?
Ya kasih itu penting, tapi nggak berarti semuanya otomatis jadi benar.
Jujur guys, nih gue makin bingung nih.
Nggak apa-apa sih bingung, yang penting nggak langsung percaya apa yang ada di internet. Kadang ajaran yang terdengar baik nggak sesuai Alkitab.
So you think liberalism is wrong?
I think ketika manusia mulai menaruh opini di atas firman Tuhan, itu menjadi salah.
Jadi, gimana cara tahu yang benar?
Kita ke pastor aku aja.
Ayo. Iya,
Pastor.
Tur.
Jadi, lu memang bilang kalian lagi diskusi soal liberalisme ya?
Iya, Pastor. Kita bingung kenapa kayak orang Tuhan itu kasih, kenapa masih banyak ada yang salah gitu.
That's a good question. But think about it this way. If a doctor says something is dangerous to his patient, does it mean he hates his patient's work?
Enggak sih, Pastor. Tapi dunia tuh udah berubah, Pastor. Cara pandang manusia tuh udah berbeda.
True. Human behavior is constantly changing, but the question is, does truth change with it?
Bukan memang iya.
If truth always changes depending on the culture, then nothing is truly certain. Past or present, something might have been considered wrong before, now it's considered right, then later again, it might be changed later again. So, what's the standard?
So, Christians believe that the standard is God?
Absolutely. In Christianity, truth comes not from human opinion, but from God.
Makanya kita jadi dasar utama.
Tapi Alkitab tuh udah ditulis ribuan tahun yang lalu loh.
Yes, but Christians believe God's word remains relevant. In verse 2 Timothy 3, number 16, says that all scriptures inspired by God.
Tapi kan interpretasi orang-orang beda-beda.
Interpretations can differ, but liberalism often goes further. It doesn't just interpret, it begins to choose which parts of God's word to accept and which to reject. For example, when people start saying, I don't like this part, so it must be wrong or irrelevant, that's where human authority begins to place above God's word.
And that's why it's considered menyimpang dari biblical Christianity.
So you're saying that Christianity shouldn't follow culture?
Yeah, but this doesn't mean being anti-culture or anti-modern. But Christians believe that culture should be tested by God's word, not that God's word should be changed to suit the future.
Oh, jadi tuh walaupun kita sayang seseorang, kita nggak perlu setuju terus sama mereka ya.
Yes, Jesus taught love, but also truth. And the two must go hand in hand.
I still don't fully agree.
Well, and that's okay. Faith and understanding take time. The important thing is to be willing to seek the truth honestly, not just seeking what's most comfortable to hear.
Oke, jadi kita jangan ikutin tren, tapi follow God first. Dadah. Iya, ikutin Tuhan guys.